This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Battery replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Raise the hood upwards. Unscrew the cable bolt and disconnect the cable from the negative battery terminal first. Unscrew the cable bolt and disconnect the cable from the positive battery terminal. Remove the battery hold-down clamp. Lift out the battery. Be careful, it's heavy. Make sure that the cable ends are capable of providing a clean connection to the battery terminals. To ensure this, clean the cables with a battery brush. Clean the battery tray, making sure the battery will be set on a smooth, even surface. Install the battery onto the battery tray. Install the battery hold-down clamp. Tighten the clamp bolt securely. Connect the positive cable to the positive terminal on the battery. Tighten the cable bolt securely. Connect the negative cable to the negative terminal of the battery. Tighten the cable bolt securely.